In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Jotform branding from your forms. To start, log in to your Jotform account. Now, let's take a look at an example. If I open one of my forms in a new tab, you can see that at the bottom of the form there is Jotform branding. This branding also appears in the email confirmation a user receives after submitting the form. If you want your forms and emails to look more professional and not include Jotform's logo or mention, here's how to remove it. Go back to your Jotform account dashboard. At the top right-hand corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to your account settings page in a new tab. Now scroll down on this page until you find a section labeled Jotform Branding. In front of this option, you'll see a checkbox labeled Show Powered by Jotform on my forms. Right now, you may notice that the checkbox is already ticked and you might not be able to uncheck it. If this happens, it means that your account is currently on the free plan and removing branding is only available for paid users. To upgrade, click on the Upgrade Account button located right next to the checkbox. You'll be taken to the Jotform pricing page. Here, you will see different plans available. Click on the Upgrade button next to the plan you want. You'll then be taken to the checkout page. Here, first choose whether you want a monthly plan or a yearly plan. After choosing your billing cycle, scroll down and fill in your billing details. Once everything is filled in, click on Complete to finalize the payment and upgrade your account. After successfully upgrading, you will see a confirmation page stating that your account has been upgraded. Click on Go to My Account to return. Again, go to the Settings option from the sidebar. Scroll down once more to the Jotform branding section, and this time you will see that you are now able to uncheck the box. Simply uncheck it. Now return to the form you opened earlier and refresh the page. You will now notice that the Jotform branding from the bottom of the form has been completely removed. Similarly, if a user receives an email after form submission, the Jotform branding will no longer appear in the message. And that's how you can remove Jotform branding from both your forms and emails.